It's not a bird. It's not a plane. It's a drone made partly from pineapple leaves. The design is part of a sustainability project at Malaysia's Putra University, led by Professor Muhammad Tariq Hamid Sultan.
This current project is to transform these agricultural waste into a potential aerospace application, which is a drone structure.
Tariq's team uses discarded pineapple leaves to create the skeletons of aerial drones.
The most important thing of this particular design is we are using agricultural waste, which is we are transforming the leaf of the pineapple fiber into a fiber, and that particular fiber, who has been seeing that this fiber can be used for aerospace application, basically in inventing a drone.
According to researchers, drones made from natural materials or biocomposites are tougher, lighter, cheaper and easier to dispose of. Tariq says the drones are currently able to fly up to about 1,000 metres high and stay in the air for about 20 minutes. The pineapple waste comes from farmers in the Hulu Langat district, who would usually discard or burn the pineapple leaves after harvest. That process can cause air pollution. But now, farmers like Irwan Ismail can sell their agricultural waste to bolster their income.
Contoh, dalam 3 ekar tanah ini mungkin boleh menghasilkan 5 ataupun 10 tan hasil daripada buang-buangan ini. Dan cuba bayangkan kalau misalnya kata harga itu dalam 1 kilogram mencecah ke 5 atau 6 ringgit. Darabkanlah sajalah dengan 4 atau 5 tan itu. Maknanya, ia memberikan satu impak kewangan yang bukan sedikit, bahkan besar kepada.
Researchers hope the project, which was launched in 2017, will encourage other scientists in Malaysia to make good use of the waste.
The next step would be to develop a slightly larger drone to be able to carry some payload, which would carry some imagery sensor and even some other sensors some other payloads that would benefit the typical farmer around here. So our role here is to help the industry, help the farmers to actually explore into force IR, technology and innovations that would help them increase their yield and make their jobs much easier.